How to rearrange LinkedIn profile sections. So if you want to rearrange LinkedIn profile sections, then what you need to do is just watch this video. So first, you need to go ahead and open up your browser and then type LinkedIn. Search for linkedin.com. And if you're not logged in yet, you need to sign in. You can do that by using your Google or Microsoft or simply entering your email address and password. Once you've signed in, if you have two-factor authentication set up, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your account. Once you've done that, it will give you a code sent to your phone. It's an extra level of security, so keep your phone handy. Now that once you've logged in, find your way to your profile page. You need to start by clicking on View Profile. This is where you'll see a comprehensive view of your entire LinkedIn presence. Just go with View Profile, which is right here. Scroll through your profile until you identify the section you want to reorder. This could be your experiences, your education, skills, or any other section you'd like to focus on. When you locate the section, look for the pencil icon, which is the edit icon next to it. Like for example, in my case, if I want to edit the experience, then I have a pencil-shaped icon right here on the right side. You need to click on it, and it will open up a menu with further options. Here you'll see what's called the reorder icon. This is often represented by a small icon featuring arrows or three lines. A click here will initiate the rearranging process. Once you click on reorder, a pop-up will open displaying all the items within that section. For instance, if you are rearranging your experience section, each job position you've entered will appear here. So in my case, I don't have any orders right here, but if you have any orders, like for example, I'll add a position. Once you click on reorder, a pop-up will open displaying all the items within that section. For instance, if you're rearranging your experience section, search job position you've entered will appear here. You can alter the order by clicking on the items or dragging the item. So if you go with the plus, you'll be able to add the position, or if you go with the pencil-shaped icon, you'll have this kind of interface. Go with the arrows, and from here, you'll be able to drag upwards or downwards in order to rearrange the profile sections. Simply click on an item and then move it up or down the list as needed. This drag and drop feature is quite user-friendly and allows you to see your chances in real time. After you've organized everything to your satisfaction, don't forget the crucial step, which is to save your changes. Look for the close or done button, typically located within the pop-up window. Clicking this will ensure that your newly arranged profile gets saved and published as you wanted. And there you have it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.